Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen, my kitchen. What we're doing today, happy Halloween by the way, happy Halloween. What I am doing today is making Halloween Oreos. Now I'm going to try and do 3 different designs on these Oreos. You can see by my huge plate and my bowl of melties. It's just melted white chocolate and I'm hoping it works. But the first thing I'm going to try and make is a mummy. The second thing I'm going to try and make is a pumpkin. And the third thing I'm going to try and make is the classical Jack Skellington. First thing we do is get a skewer. Don't poke your eye out, kids, be careful. Or just drop the whole Oreo in there, that's fine. Would love to be able to do something right for once. It's skewered. The cookie is coming off, just by the way. It's just to let it dribble. And you dribble on the other side. Ooh, the Oreo is falling. Mayday, mayday, the Oreo is falling. Let's just let that dribble off a little bit more. Put it into the fridge. Plonk it in there. Okay, we're gonna try and do a few more. I will try and do 4 mummies, 4 pumpkins, and 4 of each. I'm gonna try and do 4 of each. I know you're maybe just supposed to dip it, but I don't trust that for a second. No, I don't trust it for a second. Number 4. My camera stopped recording. Woo. And so now I'm going to do this second bunch of 4. Oh, it's got a bubble on it. A bubble. Pop. Okay, so I'm going to do the rest of these white ones off camera and I will see you guys in a little bit. Alright, so slight change in plan. What I'm going to do is do 3 of each, except for my pumpkins, my pompoons. I'm only going to do 2 of them. Here is my little duder. So we're just gonna bloops an eyeball on there. Can you see that? And bloops another eyeball on that. That's adorable. Look at how cute it is. It's like a little spook. Just gonna poke those in there just to make sure they don't come off. Okay, and now the idea is that you dribble some chocolate along it like this. Oh, it's so cute. Look at it. Look at my little mummy. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. No, oh no, oh no, it's melting. I'm gonna dribble here and then dribble across. I didn't put the eyes on. Bloop. Oopsies. Yay. Okay. Look at how cute he is. Okay, let's do number 3. I'm sure there are people out there who are like, nope, that's not how you do it, darling. But that's how I do it. I did not need to make those many eyes. Alright, and let's get going. Ooh, zombie. Not a zombie. Why do I keep calling it a zombie? It's a mummy. It's the cutest little mummy I ever did see. This is the most adorable thing ever. It's making me very well, he's got an Elvis hairdo. Okay, so now what I'm going to do for my little... I'm just going to do the one side because this is just turning out to be too much of a mission for me to deal with today. So what I'm going to do is just do the one side and make them all look really cute. And so now I've got my orange food colouring. It's just called orange. Oh, flashbacks. I haven't opened this, it's brand new. And I'm going to get it everywhere. Cause it's what I do. I've already, there you go. You know, super pigmented food coloring, yeah. Just lick your thumb. Not. Not the intelligent decision, eh? This is why I saved these for last, because now I'm going to use the rest of the chocolate to do these ones. And if need be, these fingers are going to be orange for days. I can still dye it black because I've got black food coloring, which I've never used before actually. So I've just put 1 drop. Look, it's a measly little drop of orange in there. I'm gonna mix it up and see how orange that makes it. Nah, it needs to be brighter. More orange. Whoa, okay. That may have been a bit too much. A little bit too much, let's see. Oh no, wait, it's turning quite a vibrant orange. I like it. I don't know what's happened. It's just gotten to the point in the night where I'm like, I want dinner. My body wants to be fed, and I'm just like, no, we're going to make Oreos. Is that good? Maybe a little bit more vibrant. I want vibrant pumpkins, not pansy pumpkins. I think that's orange enough. I think that's good. What do you think? Is it good? Let's see. Glob. Okay, let's try and push that around a little bit. If it can, whoops, if it could dribble down this, okay. I'm gonna put it down on the plate. Good enough. It doesn't want to be on the stick. Not today, mother. I don't want to go to swimming practice. Fly, my pretties. Done. Right, I think that's okay. Let's do one more. Let's do 3 of each. 3 pompoons. Halloween. Bip, 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 bip. There they are. Look at them in all their glory. Check it out, ladies. I got some black chocolate. So we are going to do these guys first because the skellies were starting to melt. What I'm going to use is just one of these and hope that that works all right. So I'm going to screw it up royally. Boop, 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 boop. It looks okay. That looks ridiculous. Let's just black out the tongue. Yeah, let's just give him those cute little like whoopsies eyebrows. Look at this disaster. Oh, he looks sad. He's like crying. Look at that. Bam. Oh, they look rather sad, especially this one. He's a right mess. Let's give them each a little. Oops. No, he just looks like a vampire now. It's fine. We got some weird little things going on there. And now it's time for the Jack Skellingtons, for which I do need a picture reference. Let's start with the eyes. A ghost! That looks terrible. This doesn't look anything like Jack Skellington. I tried really hard. Maybe from far away. Okay, Jack Skellington number uno. Done. Whip, whip. Okay, that's 2. We're going to make a spook. You know, I can just draw whatever the heck I want on here. So we're going to make it a happy ghost. A happy ghost. So he's like scaring people, but he's happy about it. Okay. There we go. It kind of looks like the puppet from Five Nights at Freddy's now. Halloween! Enjoy your trick-or-treating, my darlings. Alright, so here are my little creations. Look at them. How darling. How sweet. Oh, get my shadow out of there. Yay. Look at them. So cute. Adorable. Yes, my darlings. Too sweet. So ugly. I really tried. I tried really hard. I did. This just looks ridiculous. So that was my attempt at making cute little, I love these mummy outfits. Look at it, he's so cute. That was my attempt at making some Halloween Oreos. I could have done some more like really fun ones, but these were the designs that I saw and I was like, well, that'll be pretty easy to do. So that's why I did these ones. And they turned out kind of okay. I want to have a bite out of one. I'll eat the ugly mummy. I prefer normal Oreos. There's so much white chocolate on this that you can't even like taste the Oreo anymore. If you guys liked this video, please leave a thumbs up. And if you would like to support this channel, please subscribe. Let me know what you thought down in the comment section below. Let me know what other kinds of videos you would like to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, Halloween!